Hi, I'm Emily here at horticulture.co.uk, and in today's short video I'll be showing you how to plant out thyme. Thyme thrives in full sun and loves heat, so if you're growing indoors, plant near a sunny, warm windowsill. Its edible leaves can be used fresh or dried in a range of dishes. To plant out thyme, you will need some free draining compost. You will also need a container. I'm using this long container as this is perfect for windowsills or balconies. You will need a pot that is around 15 centimetres. Fill your pot with your compost. It's really important to make sure that it is free draining, otherwise thyme will die over winter. Place your thyme in the pot and then cover around with compost. Press in the compost as you go around. Then add the label so you know which variety it is. Remember to water in your thyme afterwards. Keep it well watered until established.